correct that and give me. Now seventh one, the mean of 15 observation is 32. Seventh one, the mean of, yes, I am not writing the question, I am writing what is given. The mean of 15 observation. Observations, always you remember, observations are same as n. And what is n? 15. Observations we denoted by n. How many values are given? That is 15. And the mean of this 15 observation is 32. So mean value is given. Mean x bar is given 32. Mean x bar is given 32. There are 15 values of x. Their mean is 32. Find the resulting mean. First, if each observation, yes. If each observation means each value of x. Each observation means each value of x is increased by, each value of x is increased by 3. Each observation is increased by 3. Each observation is increased by 3 means each value of x is increased by 3. Then what is the resulting mean? So we write the resulting mean. My resulting mean, I will not write x bar. So resulting mean will be mean plus 3, because each value of x we are increasing by 3. Each value of x is increased by, not understood? Chalo, 1 minute, chalo, let me do. Each value of x, each observation is increased by 3, correct? It is given. Each observation is increased by 3. So total there are how many values? 15. So we can write x1 plus 3, x2 plus 3, x1 plus 3, x2 plus 3, x1 plus 3, x2 plus 3, x3 plus 3. Each observation you increase by 3. x3 plus 3, x3 plus 3, x4 plus 3. We write this up to, we write down this up to x15 plus 3. We write down this x15 plus 3 because there are 15 observations. So now we want to find mean. So what I will do, I will find the resulting mean. Yes. Yes, we can directly write. No, resulting mean, somebody asks how you have got that. So resulting mean, resulting mean will be mean. See, now you add all the value, x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x15, divide by 15. So 15 values of x divide by 15 will be nothing but mean. So that will be mean. That will be mean plus 3, 3, 3. I will take 3. So mean plus 3. How 3 into 15? 3, 3 you will take. No, but then you are dividing by 15 also, no? Let me explain this part. Let me explain one part so that, so this will be x1 plus 3, x2 plus 3, x2 plus 3 up to x15 plus 3 divide by 15. So we are adding x1 plus x2 plus x15, x1 plus x2 plus x15 divide by 15 plus we are adding 3, 3, 3, 3. How many times? 15 times, yes. So that will be 3 into 15 divide by 15. 3 into 15 divide by 15. So this 15, 15 get cancelled. What is? My dear, it is whole part is divided by 15. No, so I have to divide each by 15. Whole part is divided by 15, so I have to divide each by 15. But what is x1 plus x2 plus x15 divided by 15? This is nothing but my mean value. Yes, so mean value plus 3. Mean, that is x bar plus 3. What is x bar? 32. 32 plus 3 is 35. So answer is 35. Now let me do the same part. Decrease by 7. Second. Yes. We write directly. Decrease by 7. Decrease by 7. So resulting mean. We write resulting mean. Resulting mean will be x bar minus 7. X bar is 32. 32 minus 7 is 25. So that is my resulting mean. When each observation is decreased by 7, each observation is decreased by 7, the resulting mean is 25. Then each observation is multiplied by 2. Each observation is multiplied by 2. Same thing. Now I will third. So multiplied by 2. So resulting mean will be x bar into multiplied by 2. So x bar into 2. X bar is 32. 32 into 2 is 64. Then divided by 0.5. Divided by 0.5. So resulting mean in that case will be 32, that is x bar divided by 0.5. Wait. So that is 32 divided by 0.5, which I can write, there is one decimal, so I will multiply numerator by 320 upon 5. 5 6 are 30. So that is 64. So answer is 64. No, because this is multiplication, no? 3 into 15 divided by 15. So I can cancel, no? First part, yes, first part I will not cancel, because this is not x into 15, this is x15, they are the notation. x1, x2, x15, they are the notation, it is not 15. 32, no? 32 divided by 32, no, it will not be 32, this will be summation x. Summation x by 15 is nothing but my mean value. 15 values of total divided by 15 is nothing but mean value, which is given. This one. Chalo, x1 plus x2 plus x15. We are adding all the values of x, and then we are dividing total number of values given. How many? 15. So when we add all the values of x and divide by total number of values given, we get mean value. So this my whole value is nothing but x bar. My whole value is nothing but x bar. Mean value x bar. Here, my whole value is nothing but x bar. हाँ, increase by 60 degree. Okay, two more are there. Increase by 60 degree. Increase by 60 degree. So write which one? Fifth one. Increase by 60 degree. Increase by 60 degree. So we write resulting mean. Resulting mean. Resulting mean will be x bar plus 60% of x bar. 60% of x bar. So x, no 60% है, 60% increase by 60%. Okay. So x bar is mean value. So that is 32 plus 60%. 60% means 60 upon 100. Of means multiplication of x bar. X bar is 32. Now let us simplify. 1 0 get cancelled. So 32 plus how much? 19.2. Yes. So 32 plus 19.2, that is 51. 51.2 is the resulting mean. The resulting mean is 51.2. If each observation is increased by 60%. Yes. Now what is next? Decrease by 20%. Each observation is decreased by 20%. Same thing. Sixth, resulting mean will be x bar minus 20%. Decrease means minus 20% of x bar. X bar minus 20% of x bar. X bar minus 20% of x bar. So x bar is 32 minus 20%, 20 upon 100 of x bar 32. So that will be 0 0 get cancelled. 6 point, how much? 6.4. 6.4, yes. 32 minus 6.4. 32 minus 6.4. 25.6. And this is my resulting mean. This is my resulting mean if each observation is decreased by 20%. Each observation is decreased by 20%. Where it was? What is there? Nothing is there. If each observation is increased by certain quantity, that will be mean plus that number. Decreased by that number, mean minus that number, multiplied by that number, mean into that number, divide by that number, mean divide by that number, nothing else. Now write 8th one. You suggest I can give 8th one homework, no problem. The mean of 5 number is 18. Okay, chalo. The mean of 5 number is 18. So here, how many values are given? 5. N is 5. And the mean value of 5 number, that is mean x bar is 18. The mean of 5 values, the mean of 5 number is 18. If one number is excluded, the mean of the remaining number becomes 16. Find the excluded number. Find the excluded number. So let us write. So we can take the 5 values. x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. There are 5 values. Their mean is given 18. Their mean is given 18. Let us exclude one value. Let us exclude one value from this. Yes. Let us exclude one value. Good. So let us exclude one value from this. So what we write? We write x bar is summation x upon n. So x bar is 18. Summation x we have to find upon n. N is 5. So 18 cross multiply. You will get 90. Summation x is equal to 90. Summation x is equal to 90. So total is how much? Yes, total is how much? Total is 90. Are you getting? Total is 90. Now we want to exclude the number. Yes. So now we write let A be excluded. Let A be excluded. Let A be excluded. Excluded means you have to remove. From this 5 number, from this 5 number, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. We exclude one of the number. We exclude one of the number and name it as A. Suppose this we have excluded. This I have removed. And this I have named as A. Is it clear? So, when you will exclude A, then how many observations are left? Tell me. Total how many observations are there? Yes, 4. Total how many observations are there? 4. Are you getting? So when you exclude one number, how many total number of observations are 5? Now I will exclude one observation. So total number becomes 4. Now mean of that value is given. Yes, how much is given? The mean of the remaining number becomes 16. Mean of the remaining number. Mean of remaining. Mean of remaining number. Mean of remaining number. Mean of remaining number is given as 16. Mean of remaining number is given as 16. So what I will do? This summation x from this total x value x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. I will exclude A. I will write minus A. So summation x minus A. Wait. From this value x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5, you will remove one value, that is A. Upon 4. Divide by 4 is nothing but mean of remaining 16. Summation x is given. Summation x is 90. So 90 minus A cross multiplied upon 4 is 16. So 90 minus A is 64. So A is 90 minus 64 is A. So 26. 26 is equal to A. What is A? A is the excluded number. So the excluded number A, the excluded number is 26. Yes. See here. Yes, I am explaining. No. From mean of total value. Summation x means x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5. From this total 5 values, you are removing one value, that is suppose x3, that is A. So when you remove from this 5 value, one value which is A, how many values are remaining? 4. So when you will divide the total of 4 values, divide by 4, you will get the mean of the remaining numbers, that is 16. So summation x is total of 5 values. From that we exclude A. A is one of the value. How many numbers are left? 4. Divide by 4, you will get the mean of the remaining 16. Summation x is 90. A we have to find. Divide by 4 is 16. Understood? Yes. Now, ninth one. Yes. Ninth one is important because this year they have asked ninth one for 4 marks. And there is nothing in ninth one, but let me do that. Ninth one. The mean of observations. Ninth one you mark important. The mean of observations. The mean of observations, we are given the values of x. Observations means you are given the value of x. 1 minute. Yes. Now write observations. Observations are x. How many values are given? X, then x plus 2, then x plus 4. These are the values of x plus 4, x plus 6 and x plus 8. We are given the 5 values of x. So here small n is 5. Total number of values given 5. And mean value is also given. What is mean given? The mean of this 5 observation is mean is given 11. So now I will find mean. So by formula, what is mean? Yes, how we find mean? Yes, we add all the values. That is x plus x plus 2 plus x plus 4 plus x plus 6 plus x plus 8. We add all the 5 values. Wait. We add all the values. Yes, we add all the values. Then we divide this total by total number of values given 5. We get the mean value. But this mean value we have calculated. But this mean value is already given. That is 11. So I will write 11 is equal to. Now add x plus x plus x plus x plus x. How many times x is there? 5 times. So 5x. Then plus 2 plus 4 6 plus 6 12 plus 8 20. 20 upon 5. Now what I will do? Cross multiply. So 5 into 11 55. 55 is equal to 5x plus 20. So 55 minus 20 is equal to 5x. 35 is equal to 5x. Yes. 35 is equal to 5x. So x is equal to 7. Now it is asked. Yes. So this is my first part, that x value is 7. Now second it is asked, find the mean of the first 3 observations. So after finding the value of x, we consider the first 3 observations and find their mean value. Upon 3 will come, because you are considering only 3 observations, no? Wait. Now write the first 3 observations. First three observations are x plus 2, x plus 4. Now put the value of x. X is 7. No, wait, no. 7, then 7 plus 2, 7 plus 4, wait. So that is, the first three observation is 7, 9 and 11. We have to find mean value of this. So mean value of this is 7 plus 9 plus 11. How many number we are adding? 3. So divide this total by 3. And that is 27. Divide by 3. That is 9. So mean of first three observation is 9. The mean of first three observation is 9. The mean of first three observation is 9. Now immediately all of you solve the problem number 15. Let us solve the problem number 15 immediately after this. Wait. Solve the problem number 15 first. Which one? Do it 15, because 15 type, 9 type. Wait. I am telling you, you solve the problem number 15. I had not given homework. I am telling you that 9th and 15th, they are same. So do the problem number 15 immediately after this, because they are same type. Find x. If now we are given observations 15, we are given observation. How many observations are given? Observations are 9, then x, then 14, then 18, then x 8, 10, 4. So how many observations are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here n is 9. And the mean of this 9 observation is also given, 11. So mean of this 9 observation is also given, 11. Find x. Find x. So it does not matter how many x are given. We have to add all the values and divide their total by total number of values given. You will get the mean value. So we apply the concept of mean first. So that mean will be, mean value will be 9 plus x plus 14 plus 18 plus x plus 8 plus 10 plus 4 divide by 9. So mean value is given 11. We add x 3x plus 9 plus 14, 23 plus 18, 41 plus 8. Wait, 49 plus 10, 59 plus 4, 63. How 68? 9 plus 14, 63. 9 plus 14, 23, 23 plus 18, 41, 41 plus 8, 49, 49 plus 10, 59, 59 plus 4, 63. Upon 9. Now cross multiply. So 99 is equal to 3x plus 63. So 99 minus 63 is equal to 3x. So this is 36. 36 is equal to 3x. 36 divided by 3 is equal to x. So 12 is equal to x. So 12 is equal to x. Now see here. Now in this The problem number 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14 and 16. No. They are omitted. 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 16 they are omitted. They are omitted. We will not solve those. 10, 11, 12, 13 and 16. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 16. Yes, now we start median. Yes, now we stop here. Yes. Bye. Yes. We are having last period also.